Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's quite a hot, warm day here. Just come from another temple. I've gone past another temple that I didn't stop at, but I've just stopped at this one because it caught my eye. Yeah, I think I've still got everything up for Big Buddha Day. But wow, that looks really cool. Yeah, you got some more hand painted ones here as well. Look up here, you know, you got some really cool stuff up there. But these paintings are really, really cool. You know, some look a bit violent. Like, yeah, I don't know really what to say actually. Yeah. Actually, we'll film these actually because someone might find them interesting. Like that other temple I went and filmed a couple of days back, that had some mod statues. That character, he looks like Vlad the Impaler actually. Yeah, you can definitely see the Indian influence. Yeah, this just caught my eye. Wow. Yeah, we'll come back and have a look at that in a minute. But we'll just film out here for a sec. Show you some of this outside architecture. Check out that skyline, absolutely beautiful. You know, don't know what's upstairs, but I think if you go up those stairs, I'd probably find out. Here's an elephant. Everyone knows what an elephant is. That's a dragon. I think that's closed actually, but that's all good. Like we've got some monks over there, we won't film them, but really, really cool. That skyline, it looks fantastic. Sari, how are you today? Good? Yeah, it's good when the locals always say, Sari. Oh, beautiful. Thank you. Cup. Yeah, that was one of the monks as well. Wow. Absolutely beautiful. We'll have a look over here in a moment, but I want to have a look over here first. There's a young monk. Hello, doggy. Yeah, I think that other monk was quite young. I didn't want to film him. But yeah, I think I could go in there, but I don't want to push my luck. Actually, I quite like that black one. Reminds me of one in Cambodia I saw when I was over there last month. Yeah, I'll go back to Cambodia at some point, head over to Siem Reap this time. G'day, that's me. I'm in jeans today. Yeah, I'll never get bored of these Buddhas. Really cool, you know. Some really nice gardens around. Here comes a soy dog. He probably wants a pat. He's probably heard I like to pat dogs. G'day. Oh, you a bit scared? It's okay. Hello. That's the first one that's actually bypassed me. But yeah, I won't go in there because I've got to take the shoes off. But okay, really nice. A lot of the temples have their own uniqueness to them. Like some are same, but you know, here's some wood stuff there. You know, I really like stuff like that. It's a chair, you know. Oh yeah, there's a really old longboat, that one. I wouldn't even know how old that is. Oh yeah, you got more up here as well. Here's some cool bikes. I think their days have sadly passed. That was me again in the mirror. The man in the mirror. Yeah, I won't go over there because I've got some youths over there. That's me again, how you going? Oh, check out this table. Wow. You know, I picked up a table today. I haven't uploaded the short on it. I did do a video when I was in the back of the ute with it, but not too sure if I'll upload that. But you never know. You never know. Yeah, as I said, I rode past another temple before, but I think this is just a little area in there. We won't go in there because we've got to take the shoes off, but pretty cool. You know, the monks can come and relax, or visitors. Really cool, I think. Yeah, it's quite warm actually, and I've been on the bike, I think for the last hour. I've just had an orange juice. That's another angle up there, really cool. Yeah, try not to film the monks. Yeah. Most of them are really cool, but yeah, I don't really want to push my luck here. Sari cup. Oh, people are in there. I don't want to film. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Oh, okay, cool. I'll have a look over there. So what cup? Yeah, he was just saying that I can go have a look, but yeah, I'm a bit funny, as I've said, about filming young people. Okay, cool. Yeah. Oh, okay.
Made in Japan.
Oh, okay.
Beautiful.
Yeah, yeah, I filmed this bit before.
Yes.
But beautiful. Thank you. Oh, okay. Cool. Cool. I might as well. I think I've got to take off the shoe. There I am again. All right, I'll just take off the shoe. Yeah, sway. Oh, cool. Here's some old clocks. Yeah, I've been to many of like the temples here. Phayao has so many temples. Yeah, I think I've only been to 8 or so far. So I think there's like 30 or 50 here, I think. Yeah. Thank you. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. I don't know if that's made out of glass or something, but it's pretty cool. And you got these trinkets here. I did a film the other day in a car park of stuff like this. Yeah, really cool. Okay, we'll wrap this up now anyway. Hit the likes and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. Yeah, we're back again. The monks just showed me this area here and we're just having a little chat. Yeah, really cool. Check out that technology there with the TV and the turntable. Oh, it's a Technics too. Direct drive. Wow. I used to have Technics 1200s. Yeah, like this monk's, he's quite nice actually. We had a bit of a chat before. Oh, wow. Haven't seen a phone like that before. Wow. Yeah, we'll add this on to the other video I did. There's King number 9. King number 9 again. That's a very young monk. I've seen that picture a lot now, actually. Buddha. Wow. Oh, there's a lake. A lot of places in Phayao like are on the back of rivers and lakes. Like, as I mentioned before, like the farm where I am going to live, that's got a lake. the parents have a lake, grandparents have a lake, and a few of their other properties all have lakes as well. So quite blessed, you know. If it was in Australia, it'd be worth millions. You know, like it's probably worth a few million Thai baht here. But yeah, like the monks bringing me along. I've left my shoes behind too, so we'll have to. Oh, I had glass in my foot the other day. Actually, that's the girlfriend now. Yeah, I just had to have a chat to the girlfriend. She's just checking up on me, making sure I'm not being butterfly man. But yeah, that's the monk. He's been taking me around actually. Really nice of him. I'll have to leave a donation, I reckon. Actually, I've got my money in the bike. Hopefully no one steals it. But really, really cool. You know, I like this walkway they've got actually. Looks like the upkeep here has been maintained a lot. Yeah. Okay, so we're up here where I was starting off. You know, yeah, you've got a lot of king number 9 there. I think that's king number 5, that one, I think perhaps. Very beautiful sway. How old is this temple? Is it 500-600 years old? 500 years old? Like 600 years old or more?
สะสมเป็นระยะเวลานานเลยวัดสว่างอารมณ์ครับโดยนามหลวงพ่อ
Okay.
วัด
I'll
สว่าง
ask
อารมณ์
my girlfriend what that was. Beautiful. I'll just have a look up here as well. Thank you. How many years have you been here yourself? Like, have you been here for 5 year, 10 year?
อันนี้ก็มันก็ขึ้นในการสะสม
Okay.
สะสมในระยะเวลานาน มีทั้งหมดอยู่ประมาณสัก2-3 พันกว่ารูป 2-3 พันโฟโต้
Cup.
ครับผม
Were you a young boy when you come here?
ครับผมสะสมสะสมมา
Cup. Oh, cool.
Elephant
Yeah, I love elephants.
ครับผม
I have to go ride on one day. Some lions. I wonder if that's real gold there. You know, you got some really nice artwork. There's an old phone. Wow, that's so